I'm not a Roman. I don't need this strength. Well, I'm sorry.
Bless you.
Have you? That you could be wrong. That you misinterpreted what you saw. That you are ruining my brother's life and mine over nothing. I have kids, okay? Better safe than sorry. Oh, if you're safe, why do you care if you're sorry?
Can you smile? Can you smile?
When kids get creative, we all get to
You're so cute.
So get bouncy. One sheet keeps working till the whole job's done. It's got reinforced quilt. You can rinse, bring, and reopen. It holds up. Laptop proof. Even on tough carpet scrubs like this, bouncy is more durable when wet. Come on, it's